Hey guys, what's up? Shit.
Hey, no, Legos are here, and today we're going to compare the two $50 from the same lines like the Ninjago movie. And we're going to see which set have the more value or which set is best or better because they both $50. Which one you can buy with the $50. So yeah, anyway, so let's get to it.
Start with the dragon. Here we go. So you get 4 minifigure.
You get Sensei, Masaru, the Green Ninja, Lloyd, Garmadon, Lord Garmadon, and one of those Sargamis. So yeah. Not only you get 4, but you also get 5. Tongue Twister. You get Garmadon, the science dude. One of the Sargami, but this is Octopus, that's nice. The General Sargami, and one only Ninja. So yeah, take out your asset. So is that worth the $50? Because I don't know. You know, if I had to choose, I'm thinking this. I mean, yeah, the dragon, awesome, but man, you get the special, the volcano, it's awesome. I like it. I like both of them. The dragon, they're awesome. So awesome. So hope you enjoyed the video. So hit the thumb up button. So yeah. Anyway, so goodbye.
Hey guys, if you go down to description, go down. You can see that